way Coordinape works is it allows peer-to-peer review of each other's work, rewarding folks who have contributed to things outside of what folks get paid to do. The guest pass Coordinape each season is 250,000 bank. The level 1 and level 2 Coordinape is twice that. There's a pool of bank, and then there's a pool of people. And the people will have 4 to 7 days to sign up for the Coordinape. And once it starts, it begins an epic. And then you'll have 5 days to allocate give tokens to the people that you've worked with. For guest passers and the guest pass Coordinape, we start out with 0 give tokens, but level 1s and level 2s are given give tokens, like 100 or 1,000, depending on the Coordinape. And then the level 1s and level 2s distribute those give tokens to the guest passers. And if there was 1,000 bank in the pool, and at the end of the epic, amongst the guest passers, there was a total of 1,000 tokens, then each give token that you have would be worth 1 bank. And however many give tokens you were given from all the level 1s and 2s, that's how much bank you have. There's also the guild Coordinape. If you're in a guild Coordinape, there's no distinction between whether you're a guest passer, a level 1, or level 2. So the way it starts out is that everybody that signs up would get 100 give tokens, and then you essentially give those give tokens to the people that you've worked with or that you've seen doing work. And then those people give you tokens, people that you've been working with. And those are the ones that you keep. So first you're given give tokens. You're supposed to give those away. But then the give tokens that other people give you, you get to keep. And then the give tokens will be worth a certain amount of bank depending on the number of people and the amount of bank in the pool. What may happen is that somebody could forget to sign up to Coordinape, or for whatever reason, they don't allocate all their give tokens. So if you keep any of the give tokens that you're initially given, those get burned. So that means if you had 1,000 bank and started out with 1,000 give tokens, but 100 of those give tokens got burned, then that 1,000 bank would be divided up between 900 give tokens. And so each give token would be worth just slightly more than 1 bank. In the map, it kind of shows you how people are distributing bank. When a Coordinape starts up, at the top it says allocate and map. So once you fill out your profile and the epic starts, then you go to allocate, and this first little text box, for each Coordinape, you want to fill it out and describe the things that you've done. And then you have an option to opt out of the Coordinape. So if you're a role holder in a guild Coordinape, you might opt out because you're getting paid to do work. Once you have your profile filled out and the epic, has started, you'll have a given amount of give to give out to people that you worked with. When it closes, that will stay in your balance until the next Coordinape starts. That'll refresh. Sometimes guest passers feel like they haven't been contributing, but just trying to figure things out is a huge contribution. Sharing your frictions in things or asking questions when things are unclear. I've seen people kind of lurk for 2 or 3 months, and then they come back and they contribute to a discussion, and it was amazing. And it's like, that person better sign up for Coordinape this season, right? Because I want to reward them, because even though they've been working or observing an hour a week, that long-term perspective was super valuable